Megha HN from Asan, Karnataka. I complete my BE in Civil in ADRK College, Asan, in the year of 2020. Excellent online platform for freshers and experienced professional with their respective. I am looking for this kind of curriculum in my native language since long time. Everything is chronological order, which includes when to start cloud computing, working, virtualization, Windows, and ITIL. I would have taken this module if I had known this program earlier. Then I got placed Infosys. Salary offered 3 LPA, online assignment and practice sets, mock test and certificates for each foundational program. Thank you for revision.